So we extend our platform and our capabilities, and we get more ability to integrate within your enterprise because of the amazing partners that we work with. And Carrie mentioned a number of them. And one that we're really, really excited about working with, and that we've made a set of recent announcements with, is Microsoft. So a couple of years ago, we actually started integrating with Office 365, and we went even deeper with our Windows support and Windows integrations. So we announced a pretty significant partnership in June, where we told our customers that we're going to be able to be using Microsoft Azure as an additional set of capabilities for Box Zones. So any region where Microsoft Azure is around the world will eventually be able to keep data stored in those regions. We're also working on some advanced intelligence services that we'll be showing a little bit later, so I don't want to break the news too much on that. But a pretty extensive partnership around Azure and cloud computing. How do you guys think about partnerships in this sort of new cloud, interoperable, best-of-breed era?
Yeah, I mean, I think one of the things that we focused a lot on at Microsoft over the last couple of years, is really changing the mindset of how we work with customers, and really how do we put customers at the center of really everything that we do, and work back from there. And that means in terms of making sure that our software works great with the software that customers already have. And so we've done things with Linux around open source, about really deeply embracing
Linux?
The investment. Great.
All right, good, okay.
And it means, in terms from a partnership perspective, how do we partner as companies are looking to move to the cloud and really make sure that we can deliver collectively wonderful solutions that work for you, that integrate with your capabilities, work with other partners, and integrate with ours. We're now have 42 regions around the world, so we have more cloud regions and countries than any other cloud provider. We have more compliance certifications than any other cloud provider, and we now have about 90% of the Fortune 500 deployed inside our cloud. And so being able to kind of bring that to the table with an openness and deep integration where we can partner together with you and with others and really enable solutions, which is what ultimately customers care about, that can span across all these environments and be great. That's really kind of what we're focusing deeply on, and doing it in a way that really creates a win-win-win. A win for partners,
right.
A win for customers, and if customers are successful, then we'll be successful as well. But in terms of using intelligence and being able to take the data that you already have,
right.
Whether it's stored in an unstructured way, whether it's stored inside a more structured database, and really being able to use AI and intelligence against it is really going to be the next forefront for how we deliver massive advances as an industry. And so, I think you'll see more and more, including today, some of that capability, and bringing kind of next generation hardware advances as well as software advances as a cloud platform is going to be key to enabling that. And
right.
so, but it's ultimately going to be through the apps that really it's going to light up, and that's right. Partly why we're so interested in ways that we can partner deeply with you and others,
right.
To help enable that.
Awesome. Well, I think you've set enough suspense for what we're going to be showing a little bit later, but thank you very much, Scott. Really appreciate it.
Thanks so much for having me. Thanks.